गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम ऑल। आज अपन देखेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस ऑन केमिकल काइनेटिक्स एंड कैटालिसिस। तो आपको क्या करना है, चैट बॉक्स में उसका राइट आंसर लिखना है, ठीक है। ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, न्यूट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ ए स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड बाय ए स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस is a simple example of dash reaction. Options है very rapid, slow, very slow, none of these. चैट बॉक्स में उसका आंसर लिखो क्या है तो, ठीक है। न्यूट्रलाइजेशन of a strong acid by a strong base is a simple example of a very rapid reaction is the right answer. A answer is right. Next, with increase in pressure, the rate of a chemical reaction dash आगे ऑप्शन से decreases, B increases, C remains constant, D none of these. क्या आना चाहिए इसका आंसर? With increase in pressure, the rate of a chemical reaction increases. B answer is right. Increases is the right answer. Next, third, with increase in pressure, the rate of a chemical reaction dash option say remains constant, B decreases, C decreases, D none of these. चैट बॉक्स में आंसर लिखो आपका राइट क्या है। राइट बराबर है सी। विद इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर द रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन इंक्रीजेस। सी आंसर इज राइट। नेक्स्ट, नंबर 4, द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन आर, द फैक्टर्स affecting the rate of chemical reactions are, options are A concentration, B temperature and pressure, C catalyst, D all of these. क्या आंसर रहना चाहिए? राइट बराबर है, डी आंसर इज राइट। ये तीनों भी जो फैक्टर, चारों भी जो फैक्टर है वो उस पर असर करते हैं, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर, कैटलिस्ट। आंसर इज डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट, ए गिव्स प्रोडक्ट, ए यानी कि रिएक्टेंट है, इट गिव्स प्रोडक्ट, इज ए डैश ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। ऑप्शन ए फर्स्ट, ऑप्शन बी सेकंड, ऑप्शन सी थर्ड, ऑप्शन डी जीरो। A gives product is a dash order reaction. क्या है राइट आंसर इसका? फर्स्ट ऑर्डर इज राइट आंसर है ना, ए फर्स्ट ऑर्डर जो है इसका राइट आंसर है। नेक्स्ट, A plus B it gives product is a dash order reaction. ऑप्शन है A फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, B सेकंड ऑर्डर, C थर्ड ऑर्डर है और D जीरो ऑर्डर। इसमें से राइट आंसर क्या रहना चाहिए? बराबर है, A plus B it gives product is a second order reaction. B answer is right. Next, K is equal to 2.303 upon T log base to 10 of A upon A minus X is the equation for dash order reaction. Is the equation for dash order reactions. देखो इसमें ऑप्शंस है, थर्ड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन का है कि इक्वेशन ये, बी सेकंड, सी फर्स्ट और डी जीरो, ठीक है। हाँ, तो इसका राइट आंसर क्या रहना चाहिए? एक आपको इक्वेशन दिया है ये, k is equal to 2.03 upon t log base to 10 of a upon a minus x is the equation for first order reaction. C answer is right. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर जो है उसका राइट आंसर है। नेक्स्ट, half-life period of a reaction is independent of initial concentration of the reaction. The reaction is of dash order. Half-life period of a reaction is independent of initial concentration of the reactants. The reaction is of dash order. Options say A 0, B second, C third, D first. क्या रहना चाहिए इसका राइट आंसर? इसका राइट आंसर रहना चाहिए फर्स्ट. The reaction is of first order is the right answer. D answer is right. Next, the time required. The time required for the concentration of a reaction to decrease to half its initial value is. The time required for the concentration of a reaction to decrease to half its initial value is. क्या रहेगा? A. हाफ लाइफ पीरियड कहते हैं क्या उसको? B. 1 लाइफ पीरियड. C. 2 लाइफ पीरियड. D. 0 लाइफ पीरियड. क्या रहना चाहिए इसका आंसर? राइट, बराबर है. A is the right answer. The time required for the concentration of a reaction to decrease to half, है ना, half, इसमें से half its initial value is half life period. क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर है half life period. Next, the reaction in which rate depends on concentration of two reactants. Rate depends on concentration of two reactants is called dash order reaction. A first, B second, C third, D 0. क्या रहना चाहिए इसका राइट आंसर? बताओ. B is the right answer. B is the right answer. The reaction in which rate depends on concentration of two reactants is called second order reaction. Next, एक इक्वेशन दी आपको k is equal to 1 upon t into x upon a in bracket a minus x is the equation for dash order reaction. Option A है 0, option B first, option C second, option D third. K is equal to 1 upon t into x upon a in bracket a minus x is the equation for dash order reaction. What is the right answer? C, second order reaction is the right answer. Next, half-life of a radioactive element depends upon half-life of a radioactive element. Radioactive element जो रहते हैं उनका half life depends on क्या पर depends रहता है? A, amount of element. C, B, temperature. C, pressure. D, none of the above. Right? इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? Half life of a radioactive element depends upon. D answer is right. None of the above is the right answer. ये किसी पर भी डिपेंड नहीं रहता. अमाउंट ऑफ एलिमेंट, टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर पर डिपेंड नहीं रहता है. नेक्स्ट, if the rate of reaction is independent of the concentration of all the reactants, it is dash order reaction. देखो क्वेश्चन क्या है? If the rate of the reaction is independent of the concentration of all the reactants, it is dash order reactions. Option A 0, option B first, option C second, option D third. बताइए राइट आंसर क्या रहना चाहिए इसका? राइट, 0 ऑर्डर इज द राइट आंसर. 0 रहेगा. नेक्स्ट, if the molecularity and order of reaction is different, it is called dash molecular reaction. If the molecularity and order of reaction is different, it is called dash molecular reaction. Option A 0, option B pseudo, PSEUDO, pseudo or pseudo molecular reaction. Option C second, option D none of these. क्या आना चाहिए 14 का आंसर? B answer is right, बराबर है. If the molecularity and order of reaction is different, it is called pseudo molecular reaction. Next, K is equal to x upon T is the equation for dash order reaction. Is the equation for dash order reaction. A first, B second, C 0, D third. क्या है राइट आंसर? K is equal to x upon T is the equation for zero order reaction is the right answer. Zero order बराबर है. Next, K is equal to A into e to the power minus E upon RT. K is equal to A into e to the power minus E upon RT is dash equation. कौन सा equation है ये? A Bose, B Boyce, C Charles, D Arrhenius. Equation क्या है ये? Yes, Arrhenius equation. ये Arrhenius equation जो है उसका right answer है. Next, the minimum energy required to convert reactant into activated state. Reactant into activated state is called, क्या कहते हैं इसको? The minimum energy required to convert reactant into activated state is called A. Activation energy, B. Heat energy, C. Energy, D. None of this. Yes, क्या आंसर आना चाहिए? बराबर है A. A is the right answer. Activation energy कहते हैं इसको. Next, the number of atoms or molecules whose concentration alters as a result of chemical change is called. The number of atoms or molecules whose concentration alters as a result of chemical change is called molecularity, A. Molecularity, B. Order of reaction, C. Rate, और D है chemical kinetics. Yes, क्या रहना चाहिए right answer? B is the right answer. Order of reaction is the right answer. Next, a reaction in which rate depends on concentration of only one reactant is called dash order reaction. A reaction in which rate depends on concentration of only one reactant is called dash order reaction. Option A third, option B second, option C first, option D zero. बताइए राइट आंसर क्या रहना चाहिए? चैट बॉक्स में आंसर लिखो. हाँ बराबर है, सी आंसर इज राइट. इट इज कॉल्ड एज द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन ये इसका बराबर है. नेक्स्ट, d ln of k upon dt is equal to ea upon rt square. ea upon rt square is dash equation. A Bose, B Boyce, C Arrhenius और D है Vantops. क्या रहना चाहिए राइट आंसर? d ln of k upon dt is equal to e upon rt square is D आंसर इज राइट. Vantops इक्वेशन, ये जो इक्वेशन है Vantops इक्वेशन है. Arrhenius ने जो इक्वेशन दिया था by using Vantops इक्वेशन. Next, for first order reaction the rate constant k has unit. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर जो रिएक्शन है उसके लिए रेट कांस्टेंट k को क्या यूनिट रहता है? ऑप्शन ए टाइम इनवर्स, ऑप्शन बी मोल इनवर्स टाइम इनवर्स, ऑप्शन सी मोल इनवर्स, ऑप्शन डी टाइम मोल इनवर्स. द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन द रेट कांस्टेंट k हैज यूनिट. क्या यूनिट रहेगा? A answer is right. Time inverse is the right answer. Time inverse जो है ना उसका right answer. Next, for any chemical reaction at equilibrium, the rate of the forwarded reaction is option set A less than the rate of reverse reaction. Less than the rate of reverse reaction. Option B है equal to the rate of reverse reaction. Equal to the rate of reverse reaction. Option C है greater than the rate of reverse reaction. और option D है none of these. क्या रहता है? For any chemical reaction at equilibrium, है ना, equilibrium जो condition है तब the rate of the forward reaction is B is right there. Equal to rate of reverse reaction. Okay, B answer is right. Rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of reverse reaction. Next. Next. A plus B plus C, it gives product is dash. क्या है? Unimolecular, bimolecular, trimolecular, tetramolecular. A plus B plus C, it gives product is. आंसर क्या रहना चाहिए? Is trimolecular is right answer. ठीक है, C is the right answer. Okay. Reaction rates can change with. Reaction rate can change with. Option A, reactant concentration. B, temperature and pressure. C, addition of catalyst. And D, all of these. Reaction rate can change with. क्या आंसर आना चाहिए? D आंसर is right. Reaction rate जो रहता है ये रिएक्टेंट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अगर अपन चेंज करते तो चेंज हो जाता है, टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर पर भी डिपेंड है, और एडिशन ऑफ कैटलिस्ट है ना, इस पर भी डिपेंड है. ऑल ऑफ दिस इज द राइट आंसर. देन कैटालिसिस. कैटालिसिस जो है इस पर एक क्वेश्चन आगे के. द नेम ऑफ कैटलिस्ट वाज प्रपोज्ड बाय. द नेम ऑफ कैटलिस्ट वाज प्रपोज्ड बाय साइंटिस्ट. विच साइंटिस्ट? ए बेर्जिलियस, बी रुदरफोर्ड, सी बोहर, डी ग्राम. क्या रहना चाहिए राइट आंसर? The name of catalyst was proposed by the scientist Berzelius. A answer is right. Next, a substance that changes or alters the rate of reaction without undergoing any chemical change is. क्या कहते हैं उसको? A nano, B catalyst, C tatalyst, D catalysis. A substance that changes or alters the rate of reaction without undergoing any chemical change is called as catalyst. B answer is right. Catalyst is the right answer. Next, the process or phenomenon in which catalyst is used is called as A nano, B catalyst, C catalysis, or D none of these. Yes, right answer क्या रहेगा? बराबर है, C is the right answer. The process or phenomenon in which catalyst is used is called catalysis. Next, catalyst used for hydrogenation of oil is. Catalyst used for hydrogenation of oil is. Hydrogenation of oil सबको पता है. ऑयल जो रहता है उसका अगर अपन हाइड्रोजनेशन करेंगे तो उससे अपने को वनस्पति घी मिलता है जिसको अपन कहते हैं डालडा. उसमें कैटलिस्ट किसका यूज किया जाता है? ए ऑप्शन है MnO2, बी आयरन Fe, सी प्लैटिनम, और डी निकेल. यस, व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? यस, निकेल इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, a substance which decreases the rate of reaction is. The substance which decreases the rate of reaction is. क्या कहते हैं उसको जो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन डिक्रीज करता है? ए इनहिबिटर, बी डिटेक्टर, C moderator, D promoter. Yes, right answer is A answer is right. Inhibitor is the right answer. A substance which decreases the rate of reaction is inhibitor. Next, a substance which increases the rate of reaction is. A substance which increases the rate of reaction is A poison, B promoter, C moderator, D inhibitor. यस राइट आंसर क्या रहना चाहिए? Promoter is the right answer. A substance which increases the rate of reaction is a promoter. Next, if a catalyst increases the rate of reaction, if a catalyst increases the rate of reaction, it is called as dash catalyst. अगर वो rate of reaction increase करता है तो उसको क्या कहेंगे आप? A positive, B negative, C both, A and B, D none of this. If a catalyst increases the rate of reaction, it is called as positive catalyst. A answer is right. Next, if a catalyst decreases the rate of reaction, it is called as dash catalyst. बताइए आंसर क्या रहना चाहिए? A positive, B negative, C both, D none of this. If a catalyst, हाँ बराबर है. If a catalyst decreases the rate of reaction, it is called as negative catalyst. Negative is the right answer. Next, when in a reaction the catalyst is present in the same phase as the reactants, it is called. Question देखो क्या है? When in a reaction the catalyst is present in the same phase कह रहा है, as the reactants, it is called option A, homogeneous catalysis. Option B, heterogeneous catalysis. Option C, both, D none of this. क्या रहना चाहिए right answer? Yes, homogeneous catalysis is the right answer. A answer is right. Next, when in a reaction the catalyst is present in different phases as the reactants, it is called option A, homogeneous catalysis. Option B, heterogeneous catalysis. Option C, A and B. Option D, none of these. क्या रहना चाहिए right answer? बराबर है, B is right answer. Heterogeneous catalysis is the right answer. Next, efficiency of a catalyst depends upon. Efficiency of a catalyst depends upon. काय पर depend रहती है efficiency of catalyst? A, molecular mass. B, room temperature. C, absolute temperature. और D है optimum temperature. Right answer क्या रहेगा? Efficiency of a catalyst depends upon optimum temperature is the right answer. Next, the enzyme which converts glucose into alcohol is option A, zymase, B, invertase, C, maltose, D, none of this. Right answer? A is the right answer. Zymase is the right answer. The enzyme which converts glucose into alcohol is zymase. Next, the enzyme which converts cane sugar into invert sugar. The enzyme which converts cane sugar into invert sugar is option A, zymase, option B, invertase, option C, maltose, option D, none of this. Right answer क्या रहेगा? B answer is right. Invertase is the right answer. ठीक है? The enzyme which converts cane sugar into invert sugar is invertase. Next, enzyme catalysts are highly sensitive to the dash of solution. Enzyme catalysts are highly sensitive to the dash of solution. A, acidity, B, basicity, C, acidity or basicity, or D है none of this. Right answer क्या रहेगा? Enzyme catalysts are highly sensitive to the acidity or basicity of the solution. C जो है वो उसका आंसर right है. C answer is right. Next, if a small non-protein vitamin, when present along with an enzyme, promotes the catalytic activity of the latter. The non-protein is called, non-protein को क्या कहते हैं? If a small non-protein, जिसको अपन कहते हैं vitamin, when present along with an enzyme, promotes the catalytic activity of the latter. The non-protein is called. क्या कहने का इसको? Option है enzyme. Option B coenzyme. Option C both A and B. Option D है none of these. Yes, क्या right answer रहेगा? Coenzyme is the right answer. Coenzyme जो है ना, इसका right answer है. B is the right answer. Next, enzymes are option A finely divided metals. Option B transition metal ions. Option C catalyst. Option D protein. Enzymes क्या रहते हैं? Enzymes are right. Enzymes are protein. D जो है इसका right answer है. Protein is the right answer. Thank you.